Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Well, every Friday I love to share some quick organizational tips for everyone. So today we're going to talk about adhesive storage. And so I really am a crafter who loves all the different types of adhesive. I am not one that only likes one type. I think each different adhesive has its place, and I think each one is fabulous. So I use them all. I use the Stampin dimensionals. I love our liquid glue. I love our dimensionals. I use both of our Seal Plus and Seal adhesives. I use the foam strips and the mini glue dots and the tear and tape, the foam sheets, you name it, I use it. So today we're going to talk about how I store them. So I do have overflow adhesives because I never want to run out. And so those I keep in a box in the top of the closet. But my regular adhesives that I use every day, what I have found is if they are in a drawer, I forget about them or I don't use them. So I have mine in this great acrylic caddy. You can find them at Amazon, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, any of those kind of places, Target, Walmart, all those kind of places. I've just labeled it with adhesives and of course a cute bumblebee. And then I love this one because it's stared, right? So it's not, just straight across, but I can actually get in to each of my adhesives. So in this first little section, I have both the Seal and the Seal Plus. I have my roll of mini glue dots. Hey Avril, good morning. I have my fine tip liquid glue. This is great when you have like loose embellishments or anything that you really want to be stuck on. It does take a little bit of time to dry, but I love that one. I have my liquid adhesive glue, and I keep that just in this little holder so that it's always standing upright. So that way the glue is always, down to the bottom. I prefer this thinner end. There is also a thick end that you can squeeze out, so it can come out both ends. That's kind of fun, right? This is great for spreading your glue too if you need. But I keep that in there. Good morning, Lori. So straight up and down, that way it is always ready to go. I have my tear and tape adhesive. That's our good strong tear and tape. And then I've got all these little pockets. And so I've got Stampin dimensionals in one. I've got my mini dimensionals in another. And then I've got the black dimensionals, mini and the regular, in their own as well. Then behind that, I have my foam adhesive sheets. These are full sheets, so they're kind of like dimensionals, but instead of all the little ones, they're big whole ones. So you can actually run these through your die cut machine. This is what the package looks like, but you can run these through your die cut machine if you want a foamed up die cut. I've got my foam adhesive strips, which are great for creating shaker cards and all those things. So all of those adhesives are right there. I also have my silicone mat in the back. I love this for gluing, but when it's in a drawer, then I forget to use it. So I just keep it right here with all of my adhesives ready to go. I have my adhesive remover. Love these. If you ever get an adhesive kit or a Be Sticky Stash pack from me, I always include one of these for you because they are great. If you have glue residue, on one of your cards, you can erase it with this and it doesn't mess up your card. Pretty neat. I do have a pair of Teflon scissors. So these are non-stick titanium Teflon scissors. And so whenever I'm cutting adhesives, like, you get all this extra around here from the dimensionals. Well, I never want to make those go to waste. So you can snip those sides. So you use all those pieces of your adhesives. And the Teflon scissors are great because it doesn't leave any residue. So it doesn't mess up my paper snips, my good paper snips. So I just keep these always in here, and I only use those on adhesive when I'm cutting adhesive. And then in this little bin over here, there are little pieces. And so those foam sheets, if I want to use one to, like, instead of using a whole bunch of dimensionals, I just want to cut a square and put this on the back of one of my things that I want to pop up. I can cut these up, and then I have all the little extra pieces just laid in this section here, ready to go for when I am using them. So I love my little adhesive carrier. It sits right here next to me on my desk, and so all my adhesives are ready to go at hand, ready for me to use and to create. So that is our adhesive storage. I highly encourage you to check out my store and find your favorite adhesives. I think everybody really should try them all and have all of them on hand because they really are perfect. Each one is perfect for their own situation. All right, well, happy Friday. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.